Welcome to the jungle. It's a big, green, wild place. So many new animals are waiting for us. Can you be a jungle explorer with me? First, let's find the snake. The snake goes hiss. Can you make a long, soft hiss sound? Wow! What's that big sound? It's a huge elephant. The elephant says, "Trumpet." Can you make a loud trumpet sound with me? Jump. Look up at the mountains. Who's howling at the moon? It's the wolf. The wolf says, "Awooo." Can you make a long "Awooo" sound? We learned so many amazing jungle sounds. Can you remember what the elephant said? What about the snake?